All right, so I'm trying out my new defrosting tray. A little bit skeptical, but I'll see how it works. It's got this plastic lining around the edges, which gives it the little feet to kind of stand on. Other than that, it's just a flat tray. What I thought I'd do is go ahead and use a pound of pork chops on the defrosting tray, and then on the plate, I will go ahead and put another pound. I have them in these plastic bags, so I can't really take them out, but I want to compare the two and see how it does. Okay, so after an hour, I can push on the defrosting tray pork chops a little bit and maybe just a tiny bit on the plate. I can definitely tell the difference. There is a difference to them. And this is after 2 hours. It did take a full 2 hours. These are still a little bit frozen, and this is really soft to the touch. Actually, if I pull it apart, you can see it is actually pretty much defrosted, and that took 2 hours. The ones on the plate, I can't pull them apart. They're still pretty much frozen. At least need to go another 40 minutes to an hour. I was able to just wipe my tray down, but it does come with a silicone brush, so if you need to scrub it, that's kind of handy to have. But overall, a really nice tray I'm happy with.